Hello again guys, today we have a new unboxing. This is the Parkside router model POF 1200C2 and we have 11,000 to 30,000 RPMs, including some accessories inside we are going to see. 6 pixel router bit set for wood, 1 parallel guide, 1 template guide, 1 caliber pointer, 2 collets 6 and 8 centimeters, 1 open-ended spanner, 1 hex key, 1 adapter for external dust extraction, including reducer piece. Okay, let's see what we have inside. Some pictures, 4 meters of cable, 3 years warranty of leader, of course. Let's see. Here are the bits, Parkside, the manual, if you want to read it, dust collector, some other tools for assembly, this, and here's the router. Feels very durable. Oops, lock it. And I'm going to try first this, then try to okay, and then here you can adjust the depth that you want. I think here it's okay. Here we got the speed 1 to 7. Here's the lock. It goes just like that. It locks and you can work better. Let's try it. Let's try the other one, this. And here how it looks. Well, I think with 2 of these testing, I think it's a tool. It's only cost 40 euros, and why not to buy it to make some DIY projects in your house? Just try it to see how it goes. It's only 40 euros. And if you don't like it, it's only 3 years warranty from Lidl. If something happens, you can take it back. Well, with all that, that is the end of the video, guys. Thank you for watching again. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like or dislike my video. It's your choice. And please share this video. You never know who may need it. Have a nice and lovely day. Oh, by the way, Happy New Year 2019. Bye-bye.